Warning, this is a hunting video. This video contains images of legal hunting activities. If you're offended by these types of images, please leave now. So here's the first rabbit that I took a shot at. See it tucked in the bush. It ended up running out, and I took the shot a little low, but it hit him and killed him instantly. Here it is again in slow motion. Close-up of the Franklin Armory F-17L in 17 Winchester Super Mag. And there I am standing with my rabbit. You can see how large it is compared to the rifle. And up next is Will's shot. That was Will's shot that he took with his custom AR-15 in 223. There he is with his rabbit. So thanks for watching this short video. Please head on over to AR15Hunter.com for this and some other hunt reports and articles we have, as well as subscribing to our YouTube channel here. We'll have more videos that will be coming out in the next couple of weeks. And you can also head over to AR15Hunter.com and hit our forum. Thank you.